Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how I enjoy my old twist. I had this chunky twist under my wig for a week. As you can see, it looks flat and lost its curls. More because I refresh it with water daily to keep my hair moisturized. I am adding some of my miracle growth oil on my palm to help ease the taking down. If you look at the curls on this twist out, it's not really that foamy just because it's been there for a long time. But there's one thing that I learned about my hair, it's I really have to enjoy it. So I do not want these curls to go to waste, even though it's not going to hold for a long time. I just want to wear it. Especially this morning, I'm heading to church and I do not feel like wig and I want to wear my hair out today. So which is one of the reasons I want to show you that if you have under your wig or if you just have twists that you want to take down, you can just kind of sort of use it for a day or two before you wash. I am not going to wash my hair until I get back from church, so I'm just going to enjoy out today. I'm taking my time to separate it. Like I said, I know it's not going to be a lot of full curls, but I love it. It's under the wig. It's not dirty at all, so I'm just gonna wear it with its flat self. I'm trying so hard. I'm trying to make it look fluffy instead of the flat side that it is. I like it. I like my hair in every stage. So it really doesn't matter to me. But I don't want to wear my hair like that. So I'm just going to pull a little bit of it up and just use a hair band to just hold it up there. There's nothing really special. Just don't want to wear it in the center part. So this is it. There's not really too much about this video, just showing you what I do sometimes with my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you have a good day and you have a good week. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye.